It's time to take a look at the Google Pixel 7a. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy iGyaan content. That helps with the algorithm a lot. And make sure to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon turned to all notifications. The Pixel 7a has been launched in India for a price of 44,000 rupees. Certain bank cards will allow you to get the Pixel for around 40,000 rupees. But those offers are also available on the full-size Pixel, not the full size, but the regular Pixel 7. And that will also get the Pixel 7 down to around 48,000 rupees. Which is only 7,000 rupees more than the Pixel 7a, which is a slightly lesser version than the Pixel 7. So what's different? We've got a slower wireless charging, but the fact that we've got wireless charging is good. So you've got 7.5 watts. You've also got a plastic back panel versus a glass panel that you see on the Pixel 7. In terms of an IP rating, you've also got an IP67 on the Pixel 7a, whereas the Pixel 7 gets an IP68. There are also certain other smaller things that are different with respect to the Pixel 7a, but apart from these major features, the devices are fairly similar. On the front, you've got a Full HD Plus display. This is an OLED display. You get 90 Hz of refresh rate and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The frame of the phone is made out of metal and the phone feels really robust and it doesn't squeak at all despite the plastic back panel. But when you tap on it, you definitely hear the plastic. Running everything this time around is the Tensor G2 chip with the M2 Titan security co-processor, which is again the same as the Pixel 7. So in terms of performance and capability, along with all the Android specific applications that Pixel devices are designed for, and also certain Pixel specific applications, this device works flawlessly for all of those things. It's not as performant as some of the other devices that are available in this price bracket, and that is just something that Google hasn't changed, and that's because of the Tensor G2 chip that they continue to use in their devices. The Pixel 7a also has a 4030 mAh battery that will last you about a full day's worth of use, giving you around 3 to 4 hours of screen on time on average, depending on how heavy or how light your usage is. If you're just using this phone for taking phone calls, you'll get a much longer screen on time. As far as the cameras are concerned, you're getting an upgrade this time around. You're getting a 64 megapixel main camera that is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second. But this camera actually bends down to 16 megapixels. So when you're capturing images, you're only getting them at 16 megapixels. Using a 64 megapixel sensor means that they're able to get in more light from the camera sensor than obviously use Google specific camera machine learning capabilities, giving you pictures that are a lot more detailed and a lot more precise than you would see with, say, a Google Pixel 6a. Now, using this phone in day-to-day, you'll find that this phone is fairly responsive and the overall usability is good. You're also able to use this for slightly higher-end applications. So if you want to play games, high-intensity games, or run multiple applications, the Pixel 7a will run through those without any problems. The UI is fast and responsive, and that is due to it running basically core Android. And you will also get lots of security updates over the years, along with 3 years of promised software updates. But Pixel devices tend to get many more years, including beta software updates out of the box. The A series of devices from Google have remained sort of the underdogs, and people often prefer the standard Pixels over the A series. And this time around is no different. For 7,000 rupees more approximately, of course, you can get the Pixel 7 for much lower if you hunt around. But for 7,000 rupees more, you're getting a considerably better device. The 7, however, does a better job of camera as well as video capability, and also has a better front-facing camera and image capture. So the Pixel 7 definitely is a better choice than the Pixel 7a. But if you're looking for just that 40,000 rupee price bracket device, which gives you a pure Android experience and also a premium build quality along with all the Google features that are Pixel specific, the Pixel 7a is the most obvious choice. And with the new upgrades, the wireless charging, the IP67, and a new camera along with the 90 Hz display, it is a pretty significant upgrade over the Pixel 6a. Go check out the device. We'll have it linked in the description below. And if you guys want us to do a detailed long-term review of the Pixel 7a and compare it with some other devices, let us know in the comments below and we'll get that done for you. This has been Bharat. You've been watching iGyaan. I'll see you guys in the next one.